The unofficial results for the Tennessee QSO Party are in, and boy, do I have some news. Let's talk about it. You're watching HamShackTV. I'm your host, Josh AA4WX. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below. Certainly helps our channel grow, and we're working to grow as fast as we can here on HamShackTV, so appreciate you being here. Want to shout out today's sponsor of today's show, World Radio League. World Radio League is literally the future of logging, and I want to tell you, the topic of today's video is about the Tennessee QSO Party, which me and my group of comrades with Skywarn participated in this past weekend, and we took a chance and used World Radio League for the first time for this contest. And folks, I got to tell you, this is the future of logging. This worked flawlessly for me. There's still a couple little bugs that Andy knows about, such as the scoring is not quite accurate. That doesn't matter. It will, or when you submit your log, your score will be tabulated for you. So check out World Radio League. You don't have to just be in a contest. You can use anything. It can be your general log. It can be another contest, whatever, a POTA log, whatever. It's so easy to use. They've got a mobile app for iPad, Android, iOS, you name it, they've got it. Go check them out, worldradioleague.com, and it's free to use. But if you want the extra features such as QRZ integration and log uploading, there's a little bit of a fee for that, and I've got a coupon code for you. You get 10% off your premium membership to World Radio League if you use my coupon code, HamShackTV. Thanks to it's HamShackTV 10. Coupon code HamShackTV 10. Sorry about that. But go check out World Radio League, and we thank them for being a partner here with HamShackTV. All right, guys, so this past weekend, like I said a moment ago, I participated along with East Tennessee Skywarn in the Tennessee QSO Party, and we've got the general results here. I don't want to show that full screen. I want to show both of us here. So let's go over the details here. Our club call was WX4TYS. If you looked at World Radio League and the contesting, it showed as AA4WX, but nonetheless, November 4 Tango was the call sign that we were using, and it displayed that. It was just based off of my account. That's why it showed my call sign. And nonetheless, it worked out flawlessly. Great logging. All of my operators loved it. It's fantastic. But operated as November 4 Tango, we logged a record-breaking, at least for our group, a record-breaking 502 QSOs. 502 QSOs within, 8-9 hours? Something like that. Started at 2 p.m. and ran through 11 p.m. So, yeah, I think that's 9 hours. Not bad. 502 QSOs. Our previous record was 352 back 2 years ago. So, blew that out of the water. We worked 45 different states. 45 of 50 states. That's pretty impressive. 31 Tennessee counties. Wish we could have got more Tennessee counties, but not sure how many actually activated. We did work 12 DX countries. 12 DX countries. So, talked to several across the pond in England and Slovak Republic and France. And I think we got a Germany. We had several in Canada. So really, really cool. I think we had a Puerto Rico or two in there. Loved hearing the DX. Our total DX distance was 67,682 miles, and we worked 439 unique grid squares. Our unofficial final score is 203,310. 230,310. And I got to tell you, folks, on World Radio League, we won the contest altogether. Not everybody logs with World Radio League, though. So it's cool that we won it in World Radio League. But looked at the N3FJP Ham Dash product, and we came in second place there overall. But we're not worried about the overall so much as we're worried about our category. And what we identified as was multi-op, multi-radio, fixed, phone, high power. Multi-op, multi-mode, or excuse me, multi-op, multi-radio, fixed, phone, high power. So I think we may have won our category. I don't want to toot the horn too early, but that's pretty exciting. We did break in the LA1000 kilowatt amplifier that I picked up at the Hamvention this past year, and boy, that made a difference. What a difference. So really exciting. Glad we participated. I want to shout out to K4HSM NA4WX, KC4NX, N4AER, W4DFB. Let's see here. Who else am I missing? I don't want to miss anybody. AA4OL. You see John Bublitz on our live streams all the time. He came out and worked with us. KK4PAL came out and did some filming. Go check out Ham Radio Unleashed. He's got a great channel. So yeah, really exciting. Great turnout. And if I missed anybody, I'm sorry. But I have made sure I've got it logged correctly with the Tennessee contesting group. So that's going to wrap this one up, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for your support. We did live stream the entire event. You can find that in the live stream section here on YouTube. And go enjoy some of it. Viewer discretion is advised. Just saying. 9 hours worth of live streaming, yeah, you're going to have viewer discretion, I'm sure. Guys, thank you so much for watching. To go check out World Radio League and use my coupon code HamShackTV10. Thanks for hanging out with me, guys. We'll see you in the next video. 73s, AA4WX, WSCB 693.